Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by finding a usable vehicle near the downed teammate. This saves time versus running. Once you've identified it, position the vehicle so the passenger door faces the downed player and make sure you and a teammate have cover. You should quickly confirm the knocked player's status and if they can be carried. If they're bleeding out, prioritize pickup now. Move decisively because speed reduces enemy reaction. Drive up, hop out, and start the extraction as your cover suppresses threats. You open the passenger door and use the interact command to pick up or drag the knocked teammate. This is faster than reviving in open ground. Once in, place them in the passenger seat or vehicle interior and have your driver ready. Communicate the escape route clearly. Make sure to check fuel and tire status quickly. A flat tire or empty tank ruins the plan. As you pull away, use zigzag driving and suppressive fire, if needed so you don't become an easy target while retreating. You drive to a preplanned safe spot, behind rocks, inside a building, or at the edge of the zone, and stop to revive immediately. Quick revives reduce exposure time. If the vehicle is damaged or incapacitated, drag the teammate into nearby soft cover and use items or throwables to create a shielded revival window. If things go wrong and enemies close in, prioritize concealment and call for suppressive fire. If revival fails, extract the body to loot later and live to fight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.